This executive just cracked the code to quarter-end chaos, and it's not what you think. While most leaders are drowning in stress, one newly promoted vice president learned how to turn pressure into peak performance, and it happened in 14 days. 3 months later, she was barely surviving. 70-hour work weeks, missed deadlines, constant late-night emails. Her calendar was full, her energy was gone, and her team could felt it. Like most executives, she tried to fight stress, work longer, push harder, control everything. The more she resisted pressure, the worse it became. Then she discovered something huge. It's called Pressure Inversion. Instead of trying to reduce pressure, you flip it. Pressure stops being your threat, it becomes fuel. Think of a race car trial. At 200 miles per hour, panic doesn't help, precision does. They don't slow down under pressure, they sharpen. The results were undeniable. Quarter end is finished 2 days earlier, overtime cut by 40%. In executive meetings, she stayed calm, clear, and decisionist. Here's the shocking part. She didn't change her job. She didn't work more hours. She followed a 14-day system, just 15 minutes every morning, designed for high-pressure leadership. Imagine if every executive learned this skill. Stress wouldn't be destroying careers. It would accelerate them. By 2026, pressure could be the ultimate competitive advantage. So when next quarter end hits, will you be crushed by pressure, or will you be the leader who thrives because of it? Subscribe for more intel.